You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this dish from Italian cuisine. For more delicious Italian food names, make sure to stay tuned. Let's break down how it's said in Italian first, and then we'll look at the English pronunciation. In Italian, Cicchetti, Cicchetti. Alright, so because you have a double CH, that's pronounced like a K, because CH is pronounced like K in Italian for some reason. But because it's double CH, you want to stress on that K syllable, and because you have a double T, well, it's also quite a long T, so Cicchetti, Cicchetti. So in English, similarly, Cicchetti, Cicchetti. The Americans say Cicchetti, Cicchetti. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.